In the previous video, we learned which is our real power, and that is money, and how you will achieve this money power for lifetime with the help of financial intelligence. And now, this video, you are going to learn that how financial intelligence or financial IQ made up from how many broad areas of expertise. Financial IQ is made up of knowledge from four areas of expertise. First, accounting. Second, investing. Third, understanding markets. Fourth, the law. First, accounting. Accounting is financial literacy or the ability to read numbers. This is a vital skill if you want to build an empire. The more money you are responsible for, the more accuracy is required, or the house comes tumbling down. This is the left brain side, or the details. Financial literacy is the ability to read and understand financial statements, which allows you to identify the strengths and weaknesses of any business. Second, investing. Investing is the science of making money. This involves strategies and formulas that use the creative right side brain. Third, understanding markets. Understanding markets is the science of supply and demand. You need to know the technical aspect of the market, which are emotion driven, in addition to the fundamental or economic aspect of an investment. Does an investment make sense or does it not make sense based on current market conditions? Fourth, the law. A corporation wrapped around the technical skill of accounting, investing, and market can contribute to explosive growth. A person who understands the tax advantage and protection provided by a corporation can get rich so much faster than someone who is an employee or a small business owner. It's like the difference between someone walking and someone flying. The difference is profound when it comes to long-term wealth. And other points from the law. First, tax advantage, and second, protection from lawsuits. First, tax advantage. A corporation can do many things that an employee cannot, like pay expenses before paying taxes. This is a whole area of expertise that is very exciting. Employees earn and get taxed, and they try to live on what is left. A corporation earns, spends everything it can, and is taxed on anything that is left. It's one of the biggest legal tax loopholes that the rich use. They are easy to set up and are not expensive if you own investments that are producing good cash flow. Second, protection from lawsuits. We live in a litigious society. Everybody wants a piece of your action. The rich hide much of their wealth using vehicles such as corporations and trusts to protect their assets from creditors. When someone sues a wealthy individual, they are often met with layers of legal protection and often find that the wealthy person actually owns nothing. They control everything but owns nothing. The poor and middle class try to own everything and lose it to government or to fellow citizens who like to sue the rich. Robert Kiyosaki said, it's not the purpose of this book to go into the specific of owning a corporation, but he will say that if you own any kind of legitimate assets, he would consider finding out more about the benefits and protection offered by a corporation as soon as possible. There are many books written on the subject that will detail the benefits and even walk you through the steps necessary to set up a corporation. Garrett Sutton's books on corporation provide wonderful insight into the power of personal corporation. Financial IQ is actually the synergy of many skills and talents. It's the combination of the four technical skills listed above that make up basic financial intelligence. If you aspire to great wealth, it is the combination of these skills that will greatly amplify your financial intelligence. In the next video, we will learn what is the difference between financial intelligence or financial IQ. So if you want to learn more financial stuff, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that you will get instant notification of video. Thank you.